Hi, nice to see you again. In the last video, I would like to show you how to display data in Excel as charts. We will use the table which you know from the last video for this. Now I would like to show the percentage share of the products in the total profit as a pie chart. That looks quite good and is also quite simple. First, I need to select the cells I want to have in my chart. These are the cells with the product names, example, cups, sweaters and longboards. And on the other hand, the cells with the share of the total profit in percentage. The cells in between are automatically marked as well. However, that doesn't matter. We'll throw them out again later. Once I've selected the cells, I tap on Insert at the top and then select Pie Chart in the diagrams and then simply select the first suggestion. Looks like a pie chart, doesn't it? Unfortunately, it's right on top of my table. Therefore, I drag it a bit further down. What I see now is that the program did not display the values the way I want to have them. I would like to have the legend, namely cups, sweaters and longboards, below the chart. Therefore, I have to tap Change Row, Column at the top when I've selected the chart. Now the whole thing looks better, but it's still not quite right. Because in the table above, I see that all cells are marked as data, but I only want to have the percentage of the total profit in the pie chart. Hence, I drag the blue dot for the data marking next to the names of the products until only cells are marked which I actually want to display. With that, we have achieved our goal. Now we could play a bit more with the appearance of the pie chart. For example, we could use style sheets to round the percentages, but I'll leave that up to you to decide if and how much you want to try out. And the great thing, if something changes in the number of units sold, then our chart automatically changes also. If you want, take a look at the task below this video, and who knows, maybe we'll see you in another video.